Yes, yes.
Celebration. Today is a special day as we are coming closer to the finale of the Winter Frolic, a 10-day grand cultural fest offered by our dip sites. The teachers and students have taken a lot of pain to come up with a vibrant cultural program. So I request all of you to sit and enjoy this evening. Our chief guest for today's evening is Mr. P.K. Amartya, GM in charge Steel, SAIL RSP and the Pro Vice Chairman of our esteemed school. He is a true technocrat and a great visionary. His sincerity toward his work is absolutely amazing and his achievements are motivating. He has very easily shouldered all the responsibilities assigned to him both in the steel plant and in the school. His diligence towards his work has earned him great respect and he has worked hard to build a strong team behind him. Welcome to our school, sir, and thank you for gracing this occasion and making this evening special for all of us. I also welcome Mrs. and Mr. Pramod Sahu, Principal Deepika English Medium School. Welcome to our school, sir. Now, it's over to the anchors of today's special evening.
I represent creativity.
I cultivate dreams.
I am felicitated to listen and ask questions.
I learn every day.
As I am taught to observe and absorb.
I am an individual whose personality is groomed by a set of caring and dedicated teachers of this esteemed school.
I am proud to be a dip site.
I study in Delhi Public School, Rourkela.
I follow the school's motto.
Good evening, dignitaries, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Ritika Nevar.
And I am Aditya Rawat.
I am K. Amogha Varsha.
And we are your hosts for this evening.
We heartily welcome all of you to this colorful evening to watch the talented dip sites who will showcase a colorful extravaganza of programs before you.
We assure you that you are not going to be disappointed. Rather, you will be taken to a magical world full of vibrant performances and surprises. So gear up, people. The ride starts from here. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This Sanskrit shloka has a deep meaning in it which emphasizes on the importance of light, which takes away the darkness of ignorance and fear and brings in fresh life and hope.
Our dharma gives a lot of importance to a lamp. Lighting a lamp amounts to awakening the soul within oneself.
So, to commence our function on an auspicious note, I would like to request our chief guest, Shri P.K. Amartya, GM in charge Steel, SAIL RSP and Pro Vice Chairman of Delhi Public School, Rourkela, to light the traditional lamp of our school. Sir, please. I would also like to request our Principal Sir, Shri Siddharth Rath and Headmistress Ma'am Girja Nandini Mishra to kindly accompany him. Ma'am, please. Sir, please.
We request our other dignitaries to kindly come and light the ceremonial lamp for us.
दीपं ज्योतिः
A bouquet of flowers brings smiles on the lips.
A bouquet of flowers carries all good wish.
A bouquet of flowers wins every heart.
A bouquet of flowers teaches every art.
So, on behalf of the DPS family, we request our dip sites to present our guests with the bouquets. His actions inspire us, and he has groomed all of us to be future leaders. So, here I request our beloved principal, sir, to deliver his welcome address to this august gathering. Sir, please.
Of today's evening, our beloved Pro Vice Chairman, Mr. P.K. Amatya, Mr. Pramod and Madam Sahu, Principal of Deepika English Medium School, colleagues, parents, students, ladies and gentlemen. We are very much honored for the gracious presence of our beloved Pro Vice Chairman, who, in spite of his busy schedule, could come here to grace the occasion as the chief guest. I express my heartfelt gratitude to you, sir. Parents are present in a large number. Really, I express my happiness. I welcome all of you to today's grand annual function. About 2 months back, we decided that this year we will have the function in a different way. The true meaning of education we wanted to give, and I went to our Pro Vice Chairman with a request that this year we will have a lot of activities from mid-November and will be doing the annual function class-wise, to which he immediately agreed. But there was a fear in me whether we will be able to hold such a long duration of function consisting of 14 days or not. I was a little bit afraid also, but when the days went on and I asked my teachers, they said, "Sir, we are recreating, we are generating energy." And I was fortunate to have such teachers, amazing parents who have cooperated, and the students were putting their best to gain education, the all-round development what we say. Parents, life is a gift of God. God has given us. Now it is our turn how to use it. We may use it, we may misuse it, we may destroy it. We can play it the way we like. The children are pure. They are coming at an age of 3 or 3.5 years with a lot of expectation, lot of trust, lot of faith. You are giving your kids to us. So we owe a lot of responsibility to see that they are properly educated. Now, what kind of personality we will develop in them? One, a kind of personality where they do not know what to do. They are afraid of accepting the challenges of life. They go to depression in spite of having a lot of intellect, in spite of having a lot of qualification, in spite of having an opportunity to get a lot of money. They go to depression, they commit suicide. Second category of people, they are a little bit negative. Whatever you do, they find out some fault in it. They think that the whole world is dishonest. And whatever effort somebody takes, they think that it may be futile, it may not give results. So this kind of people exist in this earth, but they never derive any kind of happiness. Their job is only to oppose when somebody does something constructive. Third category, they get a good job, they do good business, they enjoy life, and they think that first we will enjoy and the later part of life we will devote to God. First bhoga, and then they want to do yoga to unite with God, but that never comes. Only bhijoga happens and ultimately they die. And before death, they also do not understand what for they lived. And the fourth category are wise. They live life. They think that we are a gift of God. God has given this body to us and we will properly utilize this body. And we are preparing your kids to become the fourth category of people who will be wise. When I say wise, God has given us a body and we have to utilize the body properly. How to use that? We have hand, we should know how to use our hand. We have eyes, we should know how to use our eye. We have ears, we should know how to use our ears. We have intellect, we must know how to use our intellect. We have a mind, we should know how to think. If these qualities are taught to the children how to use, then they will become wise people. But what is happening now? Schools are preparing the students to become IITian, maybe an engineer, doctor, a good lawyer. That is one part of education, knowledge. But we do not teach them how to become a good son, how to become a good parent, how to become a good daughter, how to become a good son-in-law, how to become a good daughter-in-law, how to become a good mother-in-law, how to live in the society, how to think positive, how to conclude things, how to analyze things, how to bear the shock, how to take the leadership abilities, how to be a good follower. And believe me, we are teaching these kind of traits to be a good human being in Delhi Public School. I want our parents, teachers, management, all to come in one platform so that we can deliver things for the benefit of the children. And they are doing. Our parents, hats off to you all. Amazing parents, I told you. Everywhere you are cooperating, but I want more cooperation of you all. You should feel that it is your school. It is not the school of your students and teachers. The moment you feel that yes, I need not require anybody's invitation here, it is my school, and I can talk to my teachers, principal, other parents anytime I like, then we can make this school a paradise on earth. It is possible. Only thing is we have to believe in it. Our teachers every day are burning, they are giving light. And in that light, the children are able to see what is right, what is wrong by using their wisdom. Your children may become a big officer, a big businessman, but if they do not have the real values, what is required, they may be having valuables. But if they do not have the values, the valuables will be useless for them. If they do not have a good physique, they cannot, enjoy the pleasures of life. If they are not emotionally balanced, at every step, they will think life is not good. They will see to the darker side of life. Let us all make this school a good one in the years to come, because the entire education process is fast changing. Now you do not require a teacher to teach in the class. Education has gone a paradigm shift. From everywhere you can learn now. You can learn from TV, you can learn from internet, you can learn from the social media. So we have to teach the students how to make everybody a guru, whether it is a human being, whether it is a non-human, whether it is any kind of electronic gadget. If we teach them how to learn things, and if we teach them how to use their wisdom to find what is wrong and what is right, they will be very good citizens of the future. The world is becoming a small village. Rather, I will say, not the citizens of our country, they will be world citizens of highest order. I once again welcome our chief guest and all of you, those who are present here, to encourage our children for this grand annual function. Thank you.
Can you please elaborate, Amogha?
Well, Aditya, I'm talking about Lord Ganesha, the Lord of the Lords, son of Lord Shiva, bestower of all treasures and riches, and the giver of success and happiness.
So, through our next performance, we pray to Lord Ganesha that our school prospers and this function is a grand success.
So let's welcome our dipsites with their beautiful Ganesh Vandana performance. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
सुंदर जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती श्री मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मनोकामना पूर्ती जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती श्री मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मनोकामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती
be
Playing a game.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay, so the game is like this. I'm going to tell you a word and you need to tell me the first thing that comes to your mind.
Okay, let's begin.
Well, school,
Friends,
home,
family,
okay. Goa,
beaches.
okay. Do you know anything more about Goa?
Yeah, I mean, Goa has got awesome beaches and a great football team, and you can be yourself there.
Okay, let me get this straight. You don't know anything about Goan culture?
No, I don't think so.
Well, you should really know about it. It's a mix of Indian and Portuguese culture and it is one thing to be seen in your lifetime. Do you want to see it?
Yeah, since I've never been to Goa, I would love to see it.
Well, you are lucky that our dipsites are ready with a performance. So let's welcome the students of class 1 with their traditional Goan dance performance.
Please give them a huge round of applause, everybody.
Unta mucha mama, aniyaw Santa Tuta. Unta mucha mama, aniyaw Santa Tuta. Animadori chapila lagi selu madinata. Animadori chapila lagi selu madinata.
give a big round of applause to this small tiny tots of our school.
Mama island, animachi panali fulo. Animadori chapila nataka yaka sahairo. Animadori chapila nataka yaka sahairo. Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Ule! Morgoa tu ya quiere mezclar tonto. Morgoa tu ya quiere mezclar tonto. Ta quiere que chirna tata, vakare korne penda. Ta quiere que chirna tata, vakare korne penda. Takayo ko pakulo seta, pura kandalu no tonto. Takayo ko pakulo seta, pura kandalu no tonto. Are pakya chori nakare, chiru no bailo rando. Are pakya chori nakare, chiru no bailo rando. Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Ule!
title. Who's that? Aditya, what's wrong with you? Here we have a very elegant show going on. Please behave yourself. Why are you behaving like an animal?
Oh, come on, Ritika. Do you know that we human beings are social animals?
Yeah, I do know that. But we are much more civilized than animals.
Oh, come on. Animals are more trustworthy and fun. In fact, better.
You are trying to argue with me on who's better?
Oh, no, I'm not. Has any man in the history of mankind ever won an argument against a woman?
No, never. It is just next to impossible. Right, ladies? But then, what was with that walk of yours?
Take a hint.
Okay, let me think. Does it have something to do with that jungly dance?
Bang on!
So, audience, here we present before you students of class 3 with their jungly dance.
Give it up for the students of class 3!
The participants are
अरे खाओ पियो मजे करो मजे करो मजे करो मचे नहीं धूम मचे जमे नए रंग जमे उड़े नए रंग उड़े मस्ती का ख्वाबों में खो के जियो दीवाने होके जियो जीने का ले लो मजा जिले ले आयो आयो जिले ले मस्ती में आयो आयो जिले ले
डूबा 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 दिल डूबा नई नई मस्ती में अरे दिल डूबा कभी कभी पलिए मिले हस्ती में आओ झूला जगाओ मस्ती में जिले ले आयो आयो जिले ले मस्ती में आयो आयो जिले ले
मिले वो चैन मिले जो याद आए सदा
जिले ले आयो आयो जिले ले मस्ती में आयो आयो जिले ले
बुबा 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 महबूबा नई नई मस्ती में और दिल डूबा
कभी कभी पलिए मिले हस्ती में आओ झूला जगाओ मस्ती में
जिले ले
आयो आयो जिले ले
आयो आयो जिले ले
आयो आयो जिले ले
medals in the Olympics and they are developing everything and they're way ahead of India, I think.
I know that, but what's with the Chinese people now?
I'm so inspired by the Chinese. Yeah, it's so hot, man. I need this fan.
Whoa, that explains why you're wearing a blazer and 2 sweaters.
Don't mess with me, okay? I know Kung Fu. I'm going to knock you down.
Seriously, Amoga, what's wrong with you?
Man, come on. I'm giving you hints to the next program. That is by the students of class 3, the graceful Chinese dance performance. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Participants for this program are
बरसा दे इश्क़ा की स्याहियाँ रंग जाऊं रंग जाऊं रे मैं तुझ पे मैं झर जाऊं पिया बस तेरी मैं झूले तो खड़ी साथी माही बरसा दे इश्क़ा की स्याहियाँ
Pro Vice Chairman, GM in charge Steel, RSP Rourkela, Principal Sri Siddharth DPS Rourkela, Principals of different schools, Member of the BOG, Mrs. and Mr. Sri S.K. Mishra, GM Plate, RSP, dear parents, teachers and my dear students. A person rises to the heights of glory and the fame only by the surrounding difficulties. Man wins laurels in the fight and his greatness comes at only in the moment of crisis. Heroes and noblemen are not born but made. We in DPS Rourkela provide the real education which teaches a person to lead a good life. It cannot be measured in any tangible way. We create an environment where students get opportunities to explore the talents to reach the heights of glory and the fame. Since inception, DPS Rourkela has been setting new standards of excellence in encouraging its students to inculcate their skills in extracurricular activities. The excellent performance of its alumni in different fields of endeavor is an eloquent testimony to the success of the school. Today, I take the opportunity to present the annual report of DPS Rourkela 2013-14 and 14-15 before this August gathering. At the outset, I thank the Lord of blessings rendered to us to help and guide our children in the right direction. Here are the glimpses of few academic excellence and achievements. In the CBSE Class 10 2014, total number of students scoring CGPA 10 was 37, whereas in 2015 we have 60 students scoring CGPA 10. In Class 12 board exam 2014, we have got 41 students scored above 90%, and in 2015 30 students scored above 90% in science stream. In the academic session 2013, Prarthana Tibriwal scored 97% in science. Adya Behra scored 96.8% in commerce. Banveen Kaur scored 91% in humanities. In the academic session 2014-15, Roshni Gadnaik scored 95.2%. Richa Agarwala scored 96.6%. Poonam Rath scored 94% in the humanities. Siddharth Sehgal of class 11 has cleared both levels of NTSE of 2014. In 2013-14, total number of students who got through NIT 16, IIT 1, BITS Pilani 1, MBBS 2. In 2014-15, total number of students who got through NIT 3, IIT 1, BIT Mesra 1, NIT 1, MBBS 1. Coming to the next category, that most awaited one, that is your co-curricular, in which we will be showing you in the extracurricular activities. In the field of mostly, that most awaited one, as you know that in the field of music, Akanksha Das of class 11 has become an eminent radio artist. In the field of dance, we have got Gulmini Pradhan. Next we have got Aksheka Das. Then we have got most talented Ishani Tripathi. They have proved themselves by winning at the state level competition. In the fine arts, Pallavi Sethi of class 10, Barun Sethi of class 7, Prachurja Priyadarshini of class 5. They have proved themselves with the young Picasso by bringing lot of laurels to our school in the various competition district and state level. Coming to drama, Devasmita Kundu, Dipshika Parida, Ramdas Hemram, Chinmay Behra, Devalina Kundu. They have brought lot of laurels to our school, most importantly in the All India Children Festival 2015, performing the Oriya drama Madhu Malati. In the field of sports, coming to chess, Sarthak Devta. Sarthak Devta of class 6 got youth championship in chess. Then we have got Priyanka Rautrai, who got in the class 6 in the state level championship, followed by Swayam Shri Mohanty of class 3. Come on, we need a big round of applause. Cycling, we have got Tanushri Roy, followed by Aditya Bishabhushan. Then we have got Sonak and all our state level champion parents. Coming to the next one, this is Sonak Senapati. After that we have got in the badminton, the most awaited, that's Siddharth Das of class 10 is the state level runners-up, followed by Swagatika Raut. Also a runners-up, got silver medal, followed by Krishna Birok of class 6, who is a runners-up. And in football, headed by Ajay Tirki, our school has won Inter DPS League Champion 2015. A big round of applause, parents. Coming to the athletics, state level champion, we have got Dipanshu Sethi, followed by Barun Sethi, then Ritesh Mahata, then we have got Dipshika Das, then we have got Nidhi Agarwal. All are get selected to the national level. Come on, they need a big round of applause. And coming to the next one, DPS Rourkela runs an Interact Club under the sponsorship of Rotary Club of Rourkela Central, which carries out a lot of charitable program. Our school has adopted, particularly our club has adopted, a school called Madhusudan Primary School in Sector 6, in which we are doing a lot of work for these needy children, and we are planning to do help a lot for this, particularly this downtrodden children. Coming to the Olympiad, K. Rohit of class 8 All India rank 1. Dear parents, is All India rank 1 NCO. Moving to the next, we have got Lisa Mishra. She is All India rank 2 in ITH 2015. Then we have got Samarpit Sahu of class 10 All India rank 1 NSO 2014. Then Sohan Kumar Patnaik of class 6 All India rank 1. Then we have got Tanisha Pati from class 6 All India rank 3 IOM 2014. Then X factors, dear parents, we start with Amritanshu Bisoi, is a all-rounder. Big round of applause. Amritanshu Bisoi of class 3 is an all-rounder. Then we have got Nannipari, Ashna Manti, multi-talented star of our school. Right now she is in class 10. Upashana Manti is the next student. Right now she won Miss Z Kalinga Award. Elena Samantrai, ex-student of DPS. She's an Hollywood, a film star in the Odia film kingdom. Then you've got Shaili Gupta, a present class 12 student. She is Miss Perseverance Tiara. Coming to our principal award, it is said that the ship can anchor in the seaport under the true guidance of an able captain. We, the Dipsites, are really very proud to have Sri Siddharth Rath as the principal, under whose guidance our school is achieving enormous success. So the best principal award by resonance to Mr. Siddharth Rath, best principal award by Unified Council to Mr. Siddharth Rath, and best principal award by the Unified Council Science Olympiad. Then school awards, Outstanding School Award in International Olympiad of English Language, Performance Excellence Award in KID GK Olympiad and Olympiad of Math and Science, and in 2015, Best School Award by ResoStart and by Unified Cyber Olympiad, Best School Award to a school by National Cyber Olympiad. There are a lot many more to go. DPS Rourkela been successful full in the years because of the opportunities given to the students to prove their talent. We promise to keep our commitment to ensure the overall holistic development of a school, of the students, in addition to our efforts to impart the best education. We are extremely thankful to the management, parents, for the support extended towards us whenever it is required. Thank you.